picking me up today. Mom was worried.
Yeah, of course, love. Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I just don't understand why she would say that. I really thought we were friends. I just don't know what I did wrong.
Well, babe, that's the thing about friendships. Sometimes people are just hurting, and no matter how much you love them, sometimes they're still mean.
I don't think I understand.
Imagine that you just got a new puppy, and you love this puppy. It's so cute and fluffy, and you want to spend all your time with it, right?
Are you trying to convince me to give up on friends and just get a puppy?
No, although I'd be down. But seriously, imagine that you have this puppy and you're having a great time, and then one day the puppy comes in from playing outside, you go to pet it and it nips at you and runs away. What would you think?
I'd probably think that something was wrong, or he got hurt outside.
Yeah, exactly. But it wouldn't be your fault if the puppy was hurting. You just wanted to give it a little extra love, right?
Is this the part where you tell me what this has to do with my friends?
Yes, you little smarty pants. I don't think you did anything wrong, Kayla. I think people are just like puppies sometimes, and instead of one hurt, it's a little more complicated than that. Sometimes their pain's so bad that they just don't know how to deal with it quite yet. And sometimes when you meet a new friend and get to know them, you bump into that pain, and they lash out and say things that aren't true, like Kayla.
Then what do you do?
Well, that's the hard part. I'm still trying to figure that one out. I think you just talk about it.
Kayla does not want to talk. She said that I was a waste of space.
Listen, Kayla, here's the deal. I think we all get a chance to love people with a heart so big that they don't even know what to do with it. And sometimes, for some people, that's enough. They just needed a little extra love. But sometimes it's not enough, and people's hearts are so big that you might never see the day that they treat you the way you treated them.
So what do you do?
That's the hard part. I think you just gotta let them go.